Hi, this is Ahmad from Iraq, and I'm here to explain what does frame rate really mean. To explain this simply, imagine that you have a notebook and you draw a ball that moves down on each paper on the same location, but it moves slower on each paper in a way that if you flip the pages quickly, it looks like as if the ball is moving. Now the same thing happens in digital video. The same basic idea, but instead of papers, there are frames. Each paper represents a digital frame. Now the camera doesn't record motion, it records what is called frames at different rates, for example, 30 FPS, 24 FPS, etc. The FPS stands for frames per second. If your camera is recording 30 frames per second, that means that every second it is recording 30 frames that are then combined and compressed to make a video. There are cameras out there that can record thousands of frames per second that are used mostly in slow motion videos by extending the frame rate from, for example, 1000 FPS down to 30 FPS, which keeps the smoothness of the video at 30 FPS, but much slower because it has been extended. Each frame has a resolution. The bigger the size of the frame, the bigger the resolution, and thus a larger video, which translates to a more detailed image. I'm not going to go through the different resolutions of a video because technology is advancing. So we have full HD 1080p videos, 2K videos, 4K videos, and even 8K videos. Those are sometimes called Ultra HD videos, which they have a resolution that is larger than 1920 by 1080p, or double that resolution, which is the standard full HD video. What does the P in 1080p means, you might ask? It stands for progressive, which is the way that frames are displayed. There are two types, interlaced and progressive, but progressive is the most common in videos. In video games and graphically intense 3D applications, how much frames are processed per second depends on the strength of your computer/device and the GPU processing power, and how much graphically intense the game is. We are advancing more and more these days that even phones can capture high-resolution videos and images. Back when film used to be made in tapes, they also used to use the same basic idea. Images that are moving to give the illusion of motion. Please click the like button if you enjoyed this simple video, subscribe for more videos, and thanks so much for watching.